Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Muhammad Azim and welcome to ReadyForex.com London Forex trading session. I am going to present my Elliot Wave Analysis and Forex Forecast. Learn Trading with Elliot Wave course. I teach Trading with Elliot Wave. It's an online course with one-to-one online lessons. Learn Forex day trading systems course. I also teach different Forex day trading systems as well. If you are interested to start making money in trading, check out my website. There are different ways to contact me. Okay, let me take a look at some price charts and see what's going on. Okay, currently I am holding a sell trade inside euro dollar currency pair, and I took this trade and I also mentioned this when I did the Asian market session a few hours ago. So the London session I'm doing it a little bit late. Okay, it seems to me we got about 28 pips decline so far in my favor. Let's go over to a smaller time frame, like a 15 minutes chart. So this is where I took a sell, and then what I did is actually I saw a nice 40 pips move in my favor, so I changed my stop loss down, lock in some 3 pips profit. This is called trade management. If you check out the right hand side bottom corner over here, this is the P&L, the profit and loss, down over here, and it's in positive. Whenever market goes in your favor, you need to protect your trading capital, because market can do whatever market wants to do, and sometimes market doesn't go in your favor. So if you are holding a trade, you are in profit, try to move your stop and lock in at least few pips profit. Okay, let us take a look at some price charts and see what's going on. So regarding the euro dollar currency pair, this is one wave count which suggests that price action is going to drop. We might get something like this. What I mean by that is, it's possible that we might get a bullish leg over here, but we will see how it goes. My preference is market is probably going to drop, okay, from current price area. So in 4-hour time frame, this is where market bounce back up. Now it could go up again, so for those who are selling or who are holding a sell trade like the way I did, they should lock in some pips. Okay, so this was the area. We got multiple tests over here, and so far price action did not manage to close a bullish candlestick above 1.1596 level. Okay, so that is the reason why I went short. I also got a nice sell trade setup up there. That's using my day trading strategies. Now this is the alternative Elliott wave count, which suggests that market isn't going to drop, and euro dollar is going to rise up from current levels, and we might get a new high and a bullish breakout over here in coming trading days. Okay, so this is something that is also quite possible. So when you are doing trading, you need to deal with different market situations, especially when the trade is open. Okay, because maybe market is going to just bounce back up, and you might get this kind of a bullish leg over here. So if price action is going to rise up, then I will get out of a market with a 3 pips profit. I already load my stop. Okay, dollar currency pair. However, the way I see, it is a quite chance or a possibility that price action is going to drop more. Um, Resistance level, the old resistance, let me show you right over here. This is the old resistance area, so my take profit level, it's a little bit higher. Okay, so it's possible that price action is going to drop and reach my take profit level, but I'm safe now. I can sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. Let the market do its thing. Okay, so let's go. The DX, the US dollar index, is trying to rise a little bit. The way I see, we got this key reversal candlestick pattern, which is part of a evening star. Let me zoom in a little bit, and this is a bearish indication. Now sometimes market just try to show you a candlestick pattern and then completely reverse and take out the stop losses of traders. That's also possible. So some sort of a pullback, that's what I'm looking in USD index, the US dollar index over here, at least on a short-term basis. Okay, it is possible that we might get a complete reversal, but that's a low probability in US dollar index, but some sort of a bullish leg, that's probably going to happen. Next one is the pound dollar GBPUSD currency pair. Over here you see we got the key reversal candlestick pattern. This is a big body candlestick. It also previously closed candlestick. So this is the last Friday candlestick, and this is the Thursdays, but the actual body did not clearly close above the Thursday's high. So this whole thing could collapse and price action could fall more. Regarding the daily time frame, this is not a coincidence. I already marked this support level in GBPUSD currency pair, that I'm expecting some kind of a bottom over here. Actually on Friday I missed my buy in euro dollar. Market did not fill the buy limit pending order. GBPUSD 1 hour, I'm looking for further weakness in price action. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. So the way I see, pound dollar is probably going to drop more first and then expect some sort of a bullish leg. Okay, market really wants to go up. It is also possible that market is just going to keep going down, down, and we get a break below the support level. This is the plan B, or an alternative Elliot wave count. So when I say wait for a pullback and then look for some kind of a buy trade setup, it means that you should get a buy trade setup or a bullish chart pattern somewhere over here. If price action is not going to provide you a buy trade setup down over here, then no buy trade. There's no need to jump into the market. Okay, Aussie dollar, this was the breakout of this trend line. Let me just this trend line right over here. Quite possible that we might get a bullish leg in AUDUSD currency pair, and then market is going to print a and then it's going to drop. But the way price action is behaving, it's also possible that price action is going to break the low. So two possible scenarios. One scenario is price action is going to drop a little bit more and then expect a rally. Second scenario is that we're in a downtrend over here, and the Aussie dollar is going to continue the decline. Next one is the Kiwi NZDUSD currency pair. The way I see, I think NZDUSD is going to retest this low over here. Okay, before we get a bullish leg. If you check out the time frame, it's still bearish. Okay. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc is trying to rise up. Yesterday we got a bullish trading day. This candlestick closed bullish in daily chart, and today it seems to me we're going to another bullish candlestick over here. So we got the pullback, but the pullback isn't deep enough. The retracement or pullback or corrective level, whatever you want to name it, it's not much deep enough, and I expect further upside in US dollar Swiss franc. I do have a sell plan right up there in US dollar Swiss franc, but market needs to first print some sort of a bearish pattern first. Sometimes price action is going up and you never get the sell setup or a bearish pattern, and then you wait outside and market prints a new high. Actually, that's how you save yourself from losing money. USD Swiss franc, so we got the pullback. Let us take a look at a Fibonacci retracement level and see what's going on. Okay, it seems to me we got an exact hit at 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level over here. And I'm going to remove the rest of the other levels. Okay, so we got a hit at 0.618. Now market is probably going to provide us some sort of a decline. Now another point is, if we do not get a drop in price, quite possible that US dollar Swiss franc is going to rise up more. Okay, there's a Elliot wave count known as a flat pattern, which suggests that this is wave A, we got the bullish wave B, and down over here we got the bearish wave C, and the move is over, meaning the downward pullback or the retracement is over and market is going to print a new high. That's the alternative Elliott wave count. So you need to keep an open mind. You should have at least a plan A and a plan B, and in some cases even a plan C as well if the plan A is going to fail. Okay, USD Swiss franc is trying to drop. Let's see what's going on with my euro position. So euro is trying to rise up over here. I'm going to lower down my stop a little bit more. Let's go to modify, and stop loss is present at 66, so I'm going to move down to 68. 1.15. No, it's wrong. It's not 60. It should be 60. It's going down, so 1.15. It's going to be 62. Let's see. Okay, so I lowered my stop a little bit more, and in this way I logged in about 7 pips profit. If market is going to rise up, I will get out of a market with a 7 pips profit, but I'm not going to lose any money on this trade. Okay. Okay, go back to the chart analysis. So USD Swiss franc, this is the point. If you use your own day trading strategies, and if you get a sell signal over here, then you can look for a sell trade. If you do not have a day trading strategy, check out my website readyforex.com. I teach different forex day trading systems. Next one is the spot gold. Spot gold rallied up and now a decline is due, or a pullback, I would say. So the way I see, let's take a look at this thing. Spot gold, the XAU USD pair is probably going to drop and retest this support area at 3334.09. Okay. Spot silver, more upside in spot silver. I have a sell trade plan, but market first needs to go up more. It needs to fulfill retracement. Regarding the 4-hour, this was the buy trade setup which did work so far. Price action bounce from these lows. Next one is the US dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair, USDCAD. Daily time frame, market is trying to rise up today, and I have a sell trade plan over here. Let me explain a little bit more. So this is the sell trade plan. I want the price action to go up a little bit more, and if I get a sell setup, then I will consider taking a sell. Okay, but for the time being, I'm still waiting for the price action. Maybe when the New York market session is going to start, then we might get some sort of a setup over here. But the forecast says that wait for the retracement to complete and then look for some sort of a decline. Again, you can use your own day trading strategies to trade it. USDJPY most likely going to rise up, and it is probably going to test 148.27 area in daily time frame. This is my buy trade plan down over here. However, if you check out the smaller time frame, this is the plan 148.49 inside US dollar yen 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I'm waiting for the price action to rise up more. Okay, one-hour time frame, this is a nice big washout to the downside, so some sort of a pullback is required. We might get even a bullish leg over here, maybe at or around let's see, 149.80 level. Okay, and USD Yen currency pair. Next one is the GBPJPY. Price action is bouncing from 195.33. That's the support level. This is also a buy trade plan over here. The 1 hour is obviously bearish with rainbow trading strategy. Let me remove the rainbow, go over to the 4-hour time frame. Gone. Okay, in a 4-hour time frame, this decline over here, this looks like a bearish decline, I would say. Okay, it's not a bullish decline, it looks bearish, and it's quite possible GBPJPY is going to break lower. In other words, I'm saying that it's quite possible that GBPJPY currency pair is going to break below 195.3 area, and then it's going to slide lower. It's going to continue the decline. Okay. Next one is the Euro Yen currency pair. I have a over here. I'm waiting for a pullback in price action. That's the daily. Go over to a smaller time frame. In 4-hour chart, the idea is market is going to rise up, break above the 0.618 area, then expect a top and a drop over here. Next one is the Swiss franc versus Japanese yen currency pair. The way I see, you got a break to the downside. Market is going to move a little bit sideways and then expect further weakness in price action towards 179.58. That's the support area down over here. So you know, if you have a day trading strategy, you can look for sell trades. Do not sell at the current market, wait for a pullback, and then use your own day trading strategies to try to short the Swiss franc yen currency pair. It looks bearish. Next one is the Euro AUD market is probably going to rise up in Euro versus Australian dollar currency pair in daily time frame. In terms of Elliott wave, this is a wave A leg, then a wave B to the upside, and then a wave C. Expect a wave C decline down over here. So in a 4-hour time frame, I'm actually bullish, and I'm waiting for the price action to drop a little bit more, create it's probably going to create a zigzag or a triangle pattern in your AUD currency pair. Then I might look for a possible buy trades plan. Okay. Next one is the WTI crude oil, which is going down, and I was waiting for the pullback. We got one. This is like a free fall market. Crude oil is going to drop more. It's not going to stop the decline. The way I see, I expect further weakness in price action of WTI crude oil. I think it's going to drop more. Next one, let us take a look at 4-hour. 4-hour time frame suggests that we might get a pullback. It's a bit deep retracement. Now we have the support down over here, so do not look for a sell trade at the current price action. Okay, market is going to drop, but it's not going to drop like a straight line. So we have multiple support down over here. A good idea is to allow the market to rise up first, so you could get a better entry. Again, use your own day trading strategies. This is just the forecast. What I'm presenting you is my Elliot Wave analysis and the Forex forecast. For trading, you need a trade setup, you need entry, stop loss, and take profit level. Okay, so use your own day trading strategies. If you don't have a day trading strategy, if you don't have a trading method, then check out my website. You can learn it from there. Okay, let me go back to the euro dollar sell trade, and currently getting kind of a slow market. When I did the Asian market session analysis, price action was going nowhere. Quite a sideways price action going on. Then market started the decline, and let me show you. So over here, it's about 60 pips decline overall as of today. And now market is trying to rise up a little bit over here, and I've logged in 7 pips profit. Okay, so hopefully price action is going to continue the decline, but it could also rise up as well. It should the trade could completely reverse as well. That's also possible. That is the reason why I lowered my stop loss and lock in 7 pips profit. To you need to protect your trading capital. Okay, let me show you my trading account history. These are some of the other past trades. Go up a little bit so you can see my trading account history as well. Okay, this is about 2,180 US dollar profit, and the current trade is it's about 1,220 dollar profit. Keep going up and down. If price action is going higher up, then obviously the brokerage firm is going to automatically close the trade at 7 pips profit. That would be about $360. Euro JPY, I just covered the Euro JPY, but once I close the live stream, you can go back, rewind it, but let me show you again the Euro JPY currency pair. 1 second, give me a second over here. The Euro JPY, basically I have a sell plan in daily time frame. Okay, And here's a chart. By the way, if your thumb works, hit that like button. If not, I totally understand. So, if anything I've shared so far has helped you or made sense alike, would mean a lot. Okay, so that's all. Hit the like button. If you just join in, you're welcome. Smash that like button if you are finding this helpful. Makes a big difference. Okay. So EURUSD looking for a bullish leg first, and then market is probably going to print a top on a short-term basis. The way I see, I think we are probably going to get a buy setup over here in Euro-Yen currency pair, and market is probably going to rise up over here actually. Okay, that's pretty much it for today from my side, and I will try to do the New York market session live stream. Let me see, in about 3 to 4 hours time. I'm so sorry, I did the London market session a little bit late today. Hopefully tomorrow we do it a bit early. Okay, so from my side, have a nice day and bye bye.